business insurance versus directors and officers versus employer liability versus business interruption. Which one is better for corporate risk? Running a business is exciting, but it comes with risks most entrepreneurs underestimate. From legal claims to unexpected disruptions, one mistake or crisis can be financially devastating. Most people assume general business insurance is enough, but the surprising truth is that each type of corporate insurance serves a very specific purpose. Let's start with directors and officers do insurance. This protects the company's leadership from personal liability if they make decisions that led to financial loss, lawsuits, or regulatory action. For small and medium enterprises, one legal claim against a director can put personal assets at risk. Do insurance ensures leaders can make bold decisions without fearing personal financial ruin. Employer liability insurance is essential if your company employs staff. It covers claims from employees who suffer injuries or illnesses at work. Even minor incidents can lead to costly lawsuits, and in many countries, this insurance is legally required. It ensures you can support staff while protecting your business from crippling legal costs. Business interruption insurance is designed for unexpected events that disrupt operations like natural disasters, fires, or cyber attacks. It can cover lost income, fixed expenses, and even temporary relocation costs. Without it, a single incident could halt cash flow and threaten the company's survival. So, which type of insurance is best for managing corporate risk? The truth is, no single policy covers everything. Directors and officers insurance protects leadership, employer liability safeguards staff, and business interruption ensures continuity. Combining these policies based on your company's specific risks offers comprehensive protection. For business owners, insurance isn't just a safety net, it's a strategic tool. With the right mix of coverage, you can focus on growth, innovation, and leadership with confidence, knowing that unexpected challenges won't derail your business or personal financial security.